Kathy here with Diamonds and Coffee. Today I'm unboxing my Diamond Art Club. I ordered these two. They're both the same size. I think they were $31.99 each and I got $10.99 off. So, let's see what we got. Sorry, my camera keeps moving around. I put this one here. Guys, check it out. I love owls, and when I saw this and the size of it, it was perfect. Look at that. So cute. And it is a round. It is called Whimsical Watcher by Iris Sage. It is a 13 by 17 or 33 centimeter by 42.7 centimeter. And you can tell it's a round by the circle, and it's in a pink box. So let's see, this one has, where does it say? It has 85 colors, 2 Aurora Borealis, 4 Fairy Dust Diamonds. Total diamonds are 18,600. Full diamond coverage area. I'm so excited, guys. So excited. This is my first order from Diamond Art Club. I do have one that I ordered, I got for Christmas. I got that off Amazon last year. I like these sleeves. This is cool. It's so cute. Look at the eyes. So cute. All right. Whimsical Watcher. I've never done an Diamond Art Club unboxing before. Nice box. Nice and sturdy. Came well packaged. All right, let's check out the toolkit. I do have a nice toolkit. This is the tray, the red wax, a multi-placer. These are the smaller trays. I guess if you order a bigger painting, you get the bigger tray. So let's see what else is in here. This is the twist pen. You take the cover off and you twist. And they have wax in here. And you can take it off and add more wax. They give you more wax for that. You just twist, and then the wax comes out there, and it has a smaller multi-placer here. And they give you some baggies. So that's really good. Put that back after. I'm excited to see what else is in here. This is your lifetime guarantee. It has any instructions you need there. Also excited to see what card I got. So I've just started collecting them. This is a little information package here. I got a gold card, guys. Oh my gosh. I got a gold. How exciting. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I got a gold. So in here, it gives you step-by-step directions, all the social media information to check out. And thank you for your purchase. Now also in there, is your little sticker that you can add to your diary or your little logbook. And it tells you the date. You can write down the date you started and when you ended or completed it. Here's all the colors, all the stickers that you can kit up with. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. There's going to be some really pretty colors in here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So excited. Can you tell? All right, now let's check out this part here. Diamond Art Club is a premium company. They have beautiful canvases that are super soft on the side, almost like a velvet. They have the scalloped edges, and this is all shiny, like really shiny, really pretty. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Let me just roll it back just to save a little time here. Usually you don't have to roll these back because of their material it's made out of. It just kind of, it will lay flat pretty quick. Whoa, the camera's bouncing around, sorry. All right, so this is it. Oh my goodness, it is so pretty. The colors are gonna be great. Of course, their drill field is always really good. Oh yeah. The stick is great. Look at how many colors. It goes all the way. This whole thing is all the number, letters, symbols for all the colors. I can't wait to start this one, guys. All right, so let's check out these beautiful diamonds. Sure does make a difference in the quality of the premium kits. I'm just so excited. All right. Wow. Wowie wow. All right, so let's see. So Diamond Art Club does their colors by weight. So the biggest amount of colors are going to be like in the beginning. So 939, no, that's not going to be the first one. The first one is going to be 1, if you say 1. All right, I'm going to just start with whichever one. See, now here, these would be like the least amount. But look at the bright colors. It's really shiny. Really shiny. I hope you guys could see them. I want to find the, I'll just go with the, there's a lot of colors here. I want to show you the ABs. So this is one of the ABs. Really pretty, that color. And let's see, what else, what else, what else? So it's supposed to be 4 ABs. And that was 1. And there's a lot of just little amounts here. Okay, now there was 2 ABs, so we got that blue one. 2 ABs and 4 fairy dust. I think this white one is an AB. Shiny, shiny. All right, 87, what was it, 85 colors. Wow. I'm gonna have to use 2 storage kits to to kit that up. Love it. Well guys, I think I'm going to do 2 videos on this because it took a little bit longer. I'm going to get this all put away, and then I'm going to do a separate video for my next one. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps my channel. Bye for now.